Hello, welcome back. This is video number 2 in the N8N series. Today, we are going to connect free version of N8N with locally hosted LLM through Ollama. If you want to know how you can have Ollama installed on your machine, here's the video. The link is also in the description. Okay, now let's get started. Go to your N8N. We installed it locally using Docker Desktop in the previous video. It is usually localhost 5678/home. Click on the create workflow button located on the top right of the home page. A blank canvas will be opened. Click the big plus sign in the center of the screen. Search for AI in the search box. Click AI agent. Leave everything as is in the configuration window. Click back to canvas located on the top left of the screen. This should have created two components. The first component is the chat input trigger, and the second one is the AI agent where the input will be processed. Click the chat model plus sign. Select Ollama chat model. In the Ollama chat model, you need to create credentials to connect to your locally hosted Ollama instance. Click inside the first drop-down. Click Create New Credential. Ollama account window. Type in the base URL of your Ollama instance. The default value is pre-populated. This is basically the instance of Ollama that is directly installed on your Windows machine. I have my instance on a standalone Linux machine which is sitting next to me, and I am going to provide its details in this box. After entering, click Save, and that is it. You have created a reusable Ollama connection within your N8N instance. We will be using this connection in our illustrations. Now, X out the Ollama account window. Back in the Ollama chat model window, select an LLM model that is available in your Ollama instance. I'm using Phi 3 latest for this illustration. Click back to canvas again. If something is missing or incorrect, the components in your workflow will show in red. Ours look perfectly fine. Let's fire up a chat input in the left bottom corner section that says chat. Type in your message. I am typing what causes northern lights and click send. Now look at the workflow. The steps will start to execute. In our case, the chat message step sends the data to AI agent, and AI agent sends the message to our local hosted LLM, which is Ollama, which then processes the input and publishes an output back to the chat's output window. Everything you see here is offline. No internet is required to do all this setup. You can actually disconnect your internet on this machine and try it yourself. Alright, here we are at the end of this video. I hope this was helpful. In the next video, we will learn more about the memory and tool configuration of the AI agent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Also bookmark the N8N playlist. I am not just about teaching AI. I dive into DIY projects, strength training, product reviews, and so much more. Stick around. There's a lot to explore. Bye for now.